Hello everyone, my name is Rahul VP, Chief Marketing Officer at Dashboard, the new age digital user onboarding software. Today, I'm here to discuss the importance of widget-based user onboarding tool in modern SaaS user onboarding. Most of the SaaS companies are much familiar with the traditional checklist-based user onboarding and product training tool that can be integrated within the softwares and that guide the user within the application. So I often get questions from my prospect that what are the differences and benefits of widget-based user onboarding tool comparing to this checklist-based user onboarding softwares available in the market. Before getting started, my first question to you is, do you believe your software users will settle down with just the checklist and redirect within the application? Do you think that's sufficient to drive the software feature adoption for the first-time users to making them capable of understanding your softwares in the first day of their product sign-up? So in this session, I'm discussing a few of these points that is mainly related to the widget-based user onboarding tool. A few of the discussion points for today's session is why checklists are not sufficient or checklist-based solutions are not sufficient in modern SaaS user onboarding, and also what is widget-based user onboarding and a few of the benefits of this widget-based user onboarding tool, and a quick product walkthrough as well. So you guys are most familiar about this kind of a checklist-based solution that associated with the tooltip navigations that guide the user from one button to other button. Then that is once the user completing that particular section, so we just noting down, giving some indication that the user is completed the particular. So even though this checklist are beneficial, that is not the sufficient to drive the modern software user onboarding, because modern users they need a dedicated solution that help them in not all manner. Well, that include that they need the product training, that they need the navigation. So that's just one of the reasons. And also checklists that are associated with graded tool are single time but not comprehensive. Most of the time, if you finish this tooltip navigation, and once you recorded that you've completed these particular sessions, most often you won't get this kind of a tooltip assistant thereafter. So what is widget-based user onboarding tool? A widget-based user onboarding tool is the modern method where all the user onboarding and product training activities initiate and end up in the widget. So we're, if you look into Dashboard, so we actually been initiating the whole user onboarding widget, something like this, where we welcome the users, where they can quick start the user onboarding, or they can postpone this whenever they require. So that's actually a core USP which the widget-based user onboarding, whenever your users require, they can initiate. Whenever they don't want the system, they can pause that for time being, and thereafter they can start whenever they need this kind of a assistance in terms of tooltip navigation. So whatever the method that you can deploy within the widget-based user onboarding tool. So I'm here just giving you a quick walkthrough. What are the benefits of a widget-based user onboarding tools? The first and the core, the main important benefits of the widget-based user onboarding tool is it's restructuring the existing onboarding methods. So if you look into the tooltip-based checklist-based solution, that usually ends up with that guiding you within the application, and once you ends up with that, thereafter you won't get any kind of a support. But we help business to execute various user onboarding and product training methods that include our system include a tooltip-based user onboarding, a contextual-based, an example-based, video-based user onboarding tool, and also user can execute this or pause the user onboarding journey or flow whenever they need it till they're completing the entire user onboarding. So you can see here in this picture that whenever that we are completing a particular user onboarding journey, we make it as a checklist, even though we have a checklist, but that is actually being implemented within the widget that is associated with the whole digital user onboarding journey. So whenever the user completing a particular section, we know the user has been completed that, and you can Also, you get a comprehensive report in the backend as well. So this is one of the benefits which the widget-based user onboarding tool offers. And also the second one is it's easy to deliver support. If you look into the traditional checklist base, most of the time you also need to implement some another third-party live chat applications like Intercom or something to support or to respond to the user's question within the application. But if you look into Dashfrugal, so what we deliver is a widget-based user onboarding that converting into a live chat-based session where the user can ask their question even though during their user onboarding journey. Most of the time, the user has been facing a difficulty, during the onboarding journey, they won't ask the question. But here in Dashfrugal, they can ask the question whenever they require. They can pause their onboarding flow. They can reach out to the customer success team member to solve that particular hurdle they're facing, and also they can come back again. They can pause and restart from their left. So other user onboarding methods are not less capable to manage the support during the user onboarding journey. And the third and the most important, helps to track the user progress continuously. So we can, in this picture you can see we note the entire user footstep whenever they're completing each and every step. In checklist that give you a major important a feature whenever complete they make it as a checklist. But here in Dashfrugal, in each and every footstep we note that and we give you a detailed report that that particular account holder or software user has completed this session, and also these are the pending session for that particular account. So according we can contact the customers to complete their account setup and the feature adoption thereafter the feature adoption. So a quick overview what is a widget-based user onboarding tool, and thank you for watching. And thereafter what I'm doing is I'm just giving you a detailed walkthrough during the product. And also if you have any question during this session, just come back to me or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching this, and be patient with the walkthrough. Thank you.